Welcome back to another episode of Lawless Motorsports. Today we're out in the shop with Tony's 71 C10. We're also going to start tearing down Gary's 73 C10, get it ready for LS swap and a frame off restoration. Let's fire this thing up. Finally got it running. We're still working on the shift points and the transmission controller from Tech. Let's show you how good she's a running. Pretty dialed in. Coming from the thermostat housing O-ring. Got to fix that. Other than that, it seems to be running good. Got the timing set, carb set. It's still cold, so it's got some condensation. It's burning off, but seems to be running good. So now that we've got that done, we're going to pull Gary's 73 C10 in here, get the bed off, pull the engine trans, do some just clean up more than anything, get rid of some wiring and hoses and all that stuff, and get it ready for the cab to come off the frame, and we can do a full frame off restoration on this thing. Hopefully have LS and 4L60 ready to go back in here a month or two, so let's get started. You're late.
What?
It's your truck. We're supposed to be working on it.
I'm here.
Well,
There's the motor out, everything.
yeah, we got the motor, trans, rear ends out of it.
I doubt all that. Probably just pulled it in about last night, didn't you?
No, it's been in here a couple nights.
No?
Just hadn't started on it until today. Well, we thought it had a 700R, but come to find out, 350 turbo. So,
You're gonna need leaf spring bushings unless you decide to go coilovers.
yeah, you need one of everything and a side of fries.
But all in all, the frame's in good shape.
Yeah, frame's good shape. Bed seems to be pretty good shape.
Want a milkshake?
No. We cut the exhaust out.
Yeah.
Magnaflow. What?
Oh, they actually put magnifying on this?
Dang!
Oh.
That's coming off.
Yeah.
That goes in the keep pile.
Yeah, it goes in the save pile.
Yeah, that needs to be replaced with Black Widow.
New starter. We found this motor's got new freeze plugs and stuff in it, so somebody's done stuff to it. New converter. So, it's been worked on. Sway bar bushings need to be replaced.
Huh?
Front end don't look too bad.
Somebody come off, loosen their purse strings a little bit, it'll look even better.
Yeah. Needs a radiator support.
Yeah, it does need radiator support. Come here, look.
Yeah, it's all, gone. So,
Yeah, that's kind of non-existent.
That's typical though, so.
frame's really good shape on there. There's nothing, no dents or really anything wrong with it. The horns aren't bent in, so it hadn't been wrecked.
No fender's in good shape. Definitely. Ooh, I didn't see that.
Oh yeah, cab boxes. This side's good. Oh, that 4-pan's, no bueno. I didn't even look at the 4-pan.
I didn't either.
Look.
Well, this one, I mean, that could be fixed, but I don't know about all of this. This looks,
I say,
dang, this
look
looks
too
pretty
bad.
good right in here.
yeah,
Don't look.
maybe just the.
Honestly, it just needs to have the carpet pulled out and just look
I
at
mean,
it.
rockers, it needs the rockers. And,
Can't see above in tanks, so.
oh, horsey, I hear the horsey. I better go feed him. I'll be back. trans still on it. Bolt. Turn the bolt. Huh? There's just a bolt right there. Yeah. Did you order pizza? You may have to take a picture now. Can you pour Gary?
Where you set it? Every 4 inches, you pass the boot. You pass it up. Where's my house?
Uh-oh, fire steer about. Oh, no, good. I'll get it. Recorder.
Better watch that lay down. Ready. They don't look nearly as big out of there, does it? It's sure got a deep oil pan on it.
Yeah, it's notched too, so it's some kind of car or something, I think. I don't know what kind of Eldorado or whatever. I don't even know what year it is.
It almost looks like that 2.8 though, housing. They look weird like that.
You don't have 2 sets of boat holes, does it?
No.
Well, Gary, what do you think of your Bluetooth bed kit?
Worked good.
Works real good. Yeah. We got the bed off. A little bit of issues with that, but not too bad. We bent the bed a little bit, so we'll fix that.
We won't talk about that.
We got the engine trans out on the ground. We'll get rid of that. Now we just gotta pull the cab. We'll do that another day. Clean the frame up, put a 4-pan in it, and just go back together with her. Paint it, do whatever. But pretty much wraps it up for today. We had a pretty eventful day, didn't we, Gary?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Hey, it's progress.
yeah, we're making progress.
About that.
So we're gonna head out and push this truck out. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna get back on this, LS swap it, and do some neat stuff with it all over it. And we got 3 generations of C10s in here right now. We got the 73, we got the 70, and 71. So 3 body styles right here in a row. We'll see y'all next time.